Oh, what's shaking, bacon? Just cooking up here some bacon for the morning, but before I started, I went over to the Bellingham Dockside Market to pick up some live shrimp. And today I want to show you how to change this
You cute little fellow.
into this delicious spot prawn tail. Now, when you go down there, you can get the fresh, live spot prawns that they just got over the boat. So you want to take one, put it in the sink. Come focus on my hands, please. And you just keep running water going. You'll take the body and the tail, and you'll twist. Pull the meat right off. And that's all there is to it. So come on down to the Bellingham Dockside Market and bring your cooler.